coming back home. Know that you're coming back.
Good day, ma'am. I am Christine Dayan Camilo Samarante, BSA major in agronomy, and for this video, I am going to answer those 4 questions in biology subject, first part, lesson 2. So for now, let's start. A living system move, respond to stimuli, reproduce, grow, and are dependent on their environment. Also, a living system are composed of cells and has generalized into 2 types. First is the eukaryotes, which are the bacteria and archaea, also known as the unicellular organisms because they only consist at least 1 cell. Second type is the eukaryotes, which are the humans, animals, plants, fungi, and protists. These systems are also known as the multicellular organism that consists multiple cells. That's why they grow and develop. On the other hand, non-living system is anything that is never alive. Example, rocks, water, climate, and other system that is having an opposite characteristic of living system. Evolution of man theory describes how an organism changes over time as a result of change in heritable, physical, or behavioral traits. I've read a lot of information, but even this theory has already proof and scientific evidences that we humans came from our ancestor like apes. Yet, I am still not believing in it fully, because I only believe that our only mighty God is the only creator of everything, the creator of us as the humans, and the creator of those living and non-living systems. Natural selection is also described as a survival of the fittest, where fitness refers to the ability to survive and reproduce through adapting first their environment. Natural selection also are the organisms that reproduce selected by the environment or they produce naturally, while artificial selections are often produce a great variation in traits. And we humans are the one who selected a certain organism that reproduce. And those species will be more useful for us, like those animals that we live together in our house, and treat them like a human, not just a pet.
I want to bet that no one
The 2 German biologists summarizing a large number of observations and concluded that all living systems consist of a cell. Later on, the biologists added an idea that all cells came from the pre-existing cell. And this theory is the basic idea in biology, the foundation for understanding the reproduction and growth of all organisms. And we all know that the cell is a basic unit of life, and without it, life couldn't be formed. Example, we humans alive and survive because of those cell functions through getting the nutrients from the food that we eat and convert it into an energy for us to survive and do everything we want without any feeling of tiredness, because those energy give us strength to manage everything we need to do in our day-to-day life. Structure determines function. For me, structure is an arrangement or kaayusan ng isang bagay, and function is tungkulin to do a specific job. In biology, function in molecules and larger micromolecular complex is dependent on their structure, and it means that function of macromolecules and their complexes is dictated by and dependent on their structure. Based on my research, this relationship arises through the process of natural selection.
You get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa.
Evolution and biology. It is a change in the characteristic of a species over several generations and relies on the process of natural selection, like the evolution of man theory by Charles Darwin. Darwin believed that we humans came from apes, and as time goes by, there is evolutionary change leading to what we are now in this world. And this present biodiversity we see is because of the diversity of life arises by evolutionary change leading to what we see and what we are